In this activity, I will demonstrate creating another container that will contain a unique PIN input component and two checkbox components for a corporate credit card and seat assignment sections of the BoomiFlow employee app. Now on the BoomiFlow build canvas, I'm going to click on the employee app page to return to our page layout, and then I'll scroll back up and click in the main container, and then click on the green plus sign. And here I'm going to enter the text PIN / corporate card / seat assignment in the name text box, and then I'll click on Save Container. You can scroll down and see that the container has been created, so I'm going to click on the disk icon to save the changes. Then I'll take an input component and place it in the new container. And here I'm going to enter the text, please enter a unique PIN in the name and label text boxes. And then I'll tick the box for required. And I'm going to click on select or create a new value. And I'll be creating a new value here. And in the value name text box, I'm going to enter unique PIN. And this will be a string value, so I'm going to click on save. And then I can save the component. And if we scroll down, we can see our new input component. Then I can click on the disk icon to save. And then next I will place a checkbox component below the unique PIN input component. And in the name and label text boxes, I'm going to enter corporate credit card. And then I'll click on select or create a new value. And I'm going to create a new value. This is going to be called corporate credit card. It's going to remain a Boolean value, and I'm going to click save. And then save the component. Then click on the disk icon to save the page. And then I'm going to place another checkbox below the checkbox component that we just made for a credit card. And I'll name this checkbox component seat assignment. And then I'm going to click on select or create a new value. I'll create a new value here. This again is going to be a Boolean value. This time it's going to be called seat assignment. Then I'll click on save and then save the component. So we can see the components that we've created in our PIN, corporate credit card, and seat assignment container. We're going to click on the disk icon to save. Then we can click on the BoomiFlow tab to return to the build canvas. We're going to click on the publish icon. And here we're going to enter BoomiFlow-page element-pin / corporate card / seat assignment. And then I'll click on the green publish button. And then I can run the flow. We're going to click on let's get started. And then here you can see that we have our input for a PIN. So I could place a number here. And the checkboxes are working properly. All of our new components are working properly. Then we want to just close out of the app and then close out of our publish flow window. And that brings us to the end of activity 10. Now take approximately 10 minutes to complete activity 10 using your activity guide and referencing pages 76 through 79.